Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, bringing you the heat, honey. Apparently, I neutralize. Apparently, I destroy. Apparently, I fix. Hopefully, today I fix. Do stay tuned. Let's get it. Sanibonani dumelang mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Hi guys, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Is it fine if I shoot? I'm just shooting for my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's fine.
So I go around asking couples questions, ne? Is it fine if I ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys a couple?
Yeah.
Okay, name?
Gifts.
Gift?
Yeah.
Okay, and?
Nomvula.
Sorry?
Mpo.
Mpo?
Yeah.
Alright, how long have you guys been together?
It's been 1 year now.
1 year?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that one thing you really like about Gift?
Is that he's honest.
Oh, he's honest, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, and? That's it?
Yeah, and he makes me happy.
Oh, okay, and you?
She's loyal.
How are you sure?
Yeah.
How do you know she's loyal?
No. Nah. Like I cheat.
How do you know? Do you go through her phone?
Yeah.
Oh, you've gone through her phone?
Yeah.
Do you have a password and everything?
Yeah, I have it.
Does she have your password?
No.
Why? Why?
I should miss phone young. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, would you like to have his password?
Yeah.
She says yes.
Oh, but you know what, ne? The film say phone, ne? So if film says data, so angas kono di afford, and angas kono film sell phone way for chinga chirap. That's why I asked them it's password.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you've heard it, ne? You can't have his password.
No, I want it.
You want it?
Yeah.
Well, okay, we'll discuss that later, ne?
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, ne? How comfortable are you with your man? 9. Where's the one, girl? Where's the one?
You can't fully trust someone. Like
Yeah.
100%. Yeah.
Okay. How comfortable are you?
You know what? Ne?
9, 7,
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay, as a man, if you didn't have money, would you ask your woman for money?
Yeah.
Oh, you that comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, would you lend it to him?
Yeah.
You guys are comfortable. You guys are fine.
Yeah, we're good.
You guys are good.
Yeah, we're fine.
All right. Do you trust him? You said you trust him.
Yeah, I do trust him.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't trust him.
Why?
I just don't.
Oh.
I've got a good instinct. I don't trust him. The password thing. Are you sure you trust him?
Yeah, I'm sure I trust.
Why doesn't he want to give you that password? You've never thought of that.
No.
You're not thinking about it right now either.
But now I feel like,
Yeah, and the password issue.
Yeah.
And for you to explain it in vendor in this heat.
You're
You're gonna give it to her when you guys are done. When you get after this, you're gonna give it to her.
Yeah, I will give you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you guys be willing to prove your loyalty to each other
Yeah.
by switching phones?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You want to?
Yes, I want to.
Okay, guys, let's do it. Can I go in between you guys? Let's do it. Phone, please. Okay, your phone.
Yo.
What's wrong? Do you have a password?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. We'll start with whose phone should we? Okay, we'll start with yours. Password.
Okay, why? Let's
start. Okay. What language did you just speak now?
Chivenda.
Guys, I understand a bit of Venda. Did you see that? Musa, I understand Venda. All right. Do you have a password?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're going on her WhatsApp now.
Okay.
All right. Go to her WhatsApp and then type "I love you." What's funny, girl? What's funny? Hani for ukushuta baba. Nizoshuta after. Nizoshuta after.
I love you. Okay.
Yeah, I love you. And then scroll up, ne? Okay. You said your name is Gift, Mas.
Yeah.
She's not cheating, Mas. She's not.
Yeah, no, I cheat.
Clean. Delete that, ne? And type, go back to the WhatsApp. So, oopsie. So type, I miss you. Yima, does she type in English or Zulu? You Zulu, right?
No, I'm Venda.
Oh, you guys are both. Yo, guys, Ranziwa. What's I love you in Venda?
Ndiyamfuna.
What's Tonga?
Yeah, Nakura.
Nakuranza, yeah.
Shame I was not that off. So do you guys type in Venda?
Yeah, sometimes.
What do you call him?
Huh?
What do you call him when you... In Zulu, for example, you say Standa Sam, right? And what do you refer to him
Yeah,
as?
Mutuwanga.
Yes,
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for. Hey, hi son. Okay, clean. That's you. That's definitely you, right?
No, I know. Ndiyamthembu.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
type
just
thank you.
Oh.
Let's see who's doing her favors. Who's doing your woman favors? Okay, just go up. Hi, she's clean.
Yeah.
Okay, type babe. Delete that and type babe. Girl, can we have some space? Are you stressed?
No.
Okay. Clean again.
Yeah, I'll clean.
Okay, let's type outside. I want to see who's fetching your woman. So delete that and type outside. She's clean. Okay, do you have Instagram or Facebook?
I have Facebook.
Okay, exit. Now let's go to Facebook.
Facebook, ne?
I'm sorry, love.
Okay.
Okay, go to the inbox.
Inbox.
Yeah. Okay, so just scroll up. Anything dodgy. That's what we're looking for.
Oh.
Hi, she looks clean.
Yeah.
Hi, your woman is clean.
Yeah, no, I clean. Yeah, no, ndiyamthembu.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
You clean. It's your turn.
Yours.
Don't disappoint us, please. Do you have a password?
Yeah.
Vela, you said we must start with hers. We started with hers, so now it's your turn. Hi, Wena. What's wrong?
No, nothing. Ish. Yeah.
Ha! Okay. Here you go. Let's go to WhatsApp now. Go to WhatsApp there. Why does your WhatsApp have a face ID? Oh, I'm in Zulu. Can you give us space, sir?
Space?
Yeah. Space. Thank you. Okay, type I love you, ne?
I want to show you something.
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Yo, it's too soon, yes?
Who is Oripa?
Oripa.
Yeah, Oripa.
Why are you confused about someone that's on your phone?
Come to one is to come
That you love.
I don't know.
Ah,
Ati mudibi umuntu.
But she's telling
she's on your phone. Go into the chat. Go into the chat.
You see now. Yeah.
You don't know this person.
Enda ati mudibi umuntu.
You're lying, you know her.
Boss,
sorry, my baby.
Come over, Vene.
Yo, goodness gracious. Let's just move back quickly. Do you wanna call the woman?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Can we Vusi, can you your phone please? So we can call this. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Okay.
Enda. Dulu tanya.
Hold it. Let me hold it now.
Enda.
Okay.
Sure.
Hello. The company Oripa.
Yeah.
Ene udebela guy gift.
Nini?
Ene na gift utanganyisa me.
Nana, why?
Ooh. Habibo. Since when?
That's 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Hi, Bo.
So do you know about me? Do you know that
I don't.
he has another girlfriend?
No, I don't want to.
And you guys have been together for 6 months.
Yes.
Hi, Bo.
And he didn't tell me that unamot.
Hey.
Musa, how can you let him grab the rock? So she's your side chick. She's your side chick.
Man.
Eh? Who's the side chick? Who's the side chick?
Atina said chick.
The other one said 2 years. You've been with her for 6 months.
I
So
don't
she's
know.
your
I
side
don't
chick?
know her.
You don't know her?
Yeah.
She just said she's your person.
Hi.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying.
Why are you lying?
Atiko zipa.
You are. Okay. Do you want to stay with this
No.
man because he's cheating?
No, I don't.
Because then if she says she's been with him for 2 years, it means you're the side chick.
Yeah, I'm the side chick, obviously.
Yeah,
'cause
I'm so
I've
sorry,
been
love.
with him. Yeah, it's fine.
So are you going to stay?
No, I'm not staying. I'm done with him.
Tell him it's over.
Gift, I'm done with you.
Tell him in Venda so he can understand.
I gift. I cham told. I saw more why I call her. I cham told that he.
Do you want to hit me?
Yeah.
Why? Is this guy serious? Guys, let's end the episode because clearly I'm in danger. Alright, he's definitely cheating. Alright, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. You saw how it went down. My name is Lisa Sirami. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami _ and as well as TikTok, Lisa Sirami _. See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. Don't be yaste pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nenga.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?